Hey Boss Beauties, it's your girl Laketta, and I am back with another makeup tutorial. If you like the way that I did this look, just continue to watch, and yeah, let's go ahead and get to it. Okay, so as of right now, I am going to start by carving out my eyebrows using the MAC Paint Plus in the color Painterly, and I'm going to actually bring that all over my eyelid and use that as a primer. And I'm doing the same thing to the other side. Now after I buff this all over my eyelid, I set it with the translucent powder. And I typically use my fingers to do a lot of the warming up on my eyelid. That way that, you know, it can just blend into my skin. Now what I'm doing here, I am actually going in with one of my custom MAC palettes, and that color I believe is called Ground Brown. And I'm just buffing that into my crease just as a transition color. For this look, I am actually using the Morphe 35C palette along with Aina's palette and a couple other different products. So yeah, child. I'm trying to get this Aina palette open. Okay, so now going also into my crease, I am using Credit mixed with some ginger from the Aina's palette. And I just really wanted to have this color or this look warmed up, and that's pretty much, I put brown in my crease to warm up all of my looks. That's just what I do. And my lighting was horrible this day, so guys, please bear with me on that. It'll be better on the next video. And so on my outer V, I'm in the 35 Morphe 35C palette, just using some of the darker colors. And now I'm going in my outer V, just doing placement with the color black. I always take my time with black, and I just buff it out to the intensity that I prefer, because you can always add more, so take your time with that black. All right, beauty loves, I'm doing the same thing on the other side. Take your time, honey, take your time. Now just over my lid, just to give it some context here and to give it some sultry look as far as like metallic look, I went over, I don't have the palette in here with me, but I believe it's the Charlotte Voss palette. But now what you see me doing is, this is actually something I got from the hair store near me. It's by a cosmetic line, Nicki K, and it's the Radiant Liquid Eyeshadow. This color is called Lilac Dreams. So yeah, I kind of like this. You know, it dries really fast, so you have to work really fast with this, because I'm talking about it dries extremely fast. And then once it starts drying, it's hard to blend the other colors with it. So yeah, would I get this again? Yeah, I probably would, because it was easy to use. You just have to learn how to work with certain products. And now that I know that you got to work real fast with this stuff, I'll be ready for the next time, honey. But it still, you know, it still gave me time to blend, so that's good. As always, you know, girl, that I am using this Ruby Kisses liquid eyeliner in the color Blacker Than Black. Because once you go black, you never go back. And I'm just winging that. Because, girl, you know I want to look fierce with my little wing liner. That just gives me so much attitude, you know. I just get an attitude when I get me some wing liner on. It's like, who gonna check me, boo? Like, I dare you to come over here talking that mess. Or as Jada said in Low Down Dirty Shame, talking that yin yang. Like, I dare you. And then what I did to the top, or the outer V, I should say, I'm doing to the lower, underneath my lash line or my waterline. And I'm using my Urban Decay brush to do that, because I mean the one side of it, it's like really like a fine point, so it allows me to control plus buff out, which is amazing. And so now I am doing my lips in something very neutral. This is from, where is this from, y'all? The color is called Mystic, okay? But I'll have it in the description box. But I didn't put any lashes on. I just used the L'Oreal's mascara. And I'll have that also in the description box. But, you know, I just did about 3-4 layers of it to, you know, plump up my eyelashes. I didn't feel like putting on lashes this particular day with this particular look. So I believe it was bold enough for me. So yes, child. And prior to coming on camera, I had already done my my face makeup. I was using the NARS Barcelona and the Luminous foundation. I can't talk today, guys. Oh my goodness. But here is the finished look. I am going to actually give you a different look here in a few moments. For those of you who want to go a little bit more bolder, because you're a bold, badass chick, okay? So, yeah. Serve them, honey. Give them life. So now to go with a bolder lip, I am actually going in with Luxe Creamy Lip Gloss. This color is called Flirty Purple. And then I'm going to go over that with the Mika Bella's Purple Glitter, just to give it some dimension. You see how your girl is getting a little bit bolder because she putting this purple lipstick on, going bold, okay? Why I chose to put it on with that finger, I don't know, y'all. And I'm just reading my lips on the screen, and I can tell I'm singing Beyonce's I'm Sorry. But yes, honey. Now this is the finished look with the purple lip. I actually like the purple lip better. That shows me just a little bit bold, honey. Okay. All right, and that is all, guys. You know, very something quick, simple, and straight to the point. So don't forget to inspire someone every single day. Go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Love you, peeps. Bye.